Hello, I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on how to get to GetEpic, which I like to refer to as the Netflix for books. It is all free, however. So you're going to go to Ms. Shaw's web classroom, reading resources, and it says GetEpic Reading Invite. There is a class code, which you will find right here. It tells you how to log in for laptop and Chromebook. And if you want to get it on the phone, you can enter it using this. You can actually do GetEpic on your phone. So you're going to copy the class code. You're going to go to the website getepic.com. There's lots of different options. You can put in class code since you have the code, and it will take you directly to my class. So click on class code, enter your class code. It already shows it here, so if you already entered it, it'll show here. And then go. And this was my class from last year. So I'm just going to use one of my friends from last year. I haven't had a chance to put my wonderful new class in, but I'm going to use my friend Amaya here as an example. And all of these different types of books that you can read. So you can search by author, title, or keyword. You can choose books that read to you. So for example, all of these books, if you click on it, will actually read the book to you. So let me show you an example, Cat Bug. So make sure that you're not reading a book, especially if you're reading it on your own, that's too far above your reading level. So it will actually read the story to you. If you happen to really enjoy a certain specific type of book or author, Miss Shaw really likes Pete the Cat. So there's lots of Pete the Cat books. Well, there's 3 here that actually read to you. So if you just want regular books that aren't reading to you, you can just click on regular books. You can search by age. You guys are going to be 5 or 6, obviously. You can do by fiction or nonfiction. So this would be make-believe. So if you wanted to just search for all fiction, there's all different types of things you can search for. Oh, let's see what this is. Unicorns. I like that. So these are all books about unicorns. These books do not read to you if it doesn't say read to me on the green at the bottom, but you can definitely look through the book. Let's show oh, that one looks like it's already been started. Not Yet a Yeti. That looks really cool. Okay, so that is getepic.com, and I will be putting your names in my classroom, so you will have your own code to join, and the whole class has the same code, but I can actually assign books to each kid. So for now, just go in and look around and have fun reading. All right, that's that. Thank you.